Hello guys, welcome on Programs Overview in the dryer SHARP KD. So there we have the two programs, the extra drying and the drying to cupboard, drying to ironing for the cotton. The next one is the same, so the to cupboard ironing but for the synthetic fabrics. There we have the delicate, the drying of the time, dry clothes, the bedding, sport clothes, mix, refreshing of wool, just refreshing, express 53 minutes, and the shirts 20 minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.